The nature of cooperative technology education. What is cooperative technology education? It is designed to assist students in making the transition between school life and the world of work by blending meaningful employment experiences with related education courses. It is also designed to prepare students for entry-level jobs and promotion to positions of increased responsibility. It is also designed as a capstone experience for a curriculum in which students are preparing themselves for initial employment. This is Dean Herman Schneider. He is the father of cooperative education in 1906 at the University of Cincinnati. Here are the glossary of terms. What is advisory committee? These are a group of persons, usually from outside the field of education, selected because of their knowledge and expertise. Agribusiness cooperative education, or ACE. The preparation for a vocation or occupation in agriculture or/and agriculture-related occupation. Cooperative Office Education, or COE. A program for office careers involving initial, refresher, and upgrading education leading to employability and advancement in office occupations. This is an example of COE. Cooperative Health Occupations, or CHO. A course and planned experience designed to impart knowledge and develop understandings and skills required to support the health professions, like paramedics and nurses and the like. Coordination. What is coordination? It involves promotion, placement, observation, conferences, and evaluations that the school is doing and its partner with the stakeholders. Distribution education, or DE. A program for those preparing for or engaging in the distribution of goods and services to the consumer. The best example is a sole proprietor or entrepreneur. Home economics related occupations, or HERO. A program to prepare persons for employment in an occupation that utilizes the knowledge and skills of home economics. Example is family and human services. Industrial cooperative training. Instruction plan to develop basic manipulative skills, safety practices, judgments, technical knowledge, and related occupational information for the purpose of fitting persons for initial employment in industrial occupations. An example of industrial cooperative training. Interdisciplinary cooperative education, or ICE. It spans all vocational program areas through an interdisciplinary approach to training for employment. On-the-job training. The planned learning experiences that are encountered by cooperative students on a part-time employment basis. Related instruction. These are the instruction each cooperative vocational student receives in the classroom that directly relates to the occupation in which he is engaged or planning to engage. What is a student learner? A student who is enrolled in a bona fide cooperative education program, which is recognized as a part of the student's educational program. Teacher coordinator. This is a member of the school staff who teaches the related and technical subject matter involved in a work experiences, programs, and coordinates classroom instruction with on-the-job training. An example of teacher coordinator. Training agreement. This is an agreement developed cooperatively by the student, teacher, parent, and employer, indicating the responsibilities of each individual. What is a training plan? A plan developed cooperatively by the teacher, cooperating employer, and student, indicating what is to be taught in the classroom or on the job. Training sponsor. The employer who is responsible for conducting the learning experiences of the student learner on the job as defined with the training agreement. Training station. This is the business establishment providing on-the-job learning experiences for the student learner. These are the industries where our student learners are able to experience the real world of work. Vocational Student Organization, an organization for students that complements the instructional program. But in the Philippines, it's sad to say that there are no vocational student organizations yet in the Philippines. Here are the characteristics of cooperative vocational education. It enhances occupational preparation. It develops individual qualifications for subsequent full-time employment or advanced study. Career decisions are stabilized, adjusted, and redirected. It is because the student learners are already exposed to the real world of work. They appreciate already what are the expectations in the job that they have decided. 4. It provides relevant instruction for students with vocation. 5. Provides a way to apply vocational learnings through an immediate opportunity. It's because that what they have learned in the classroom are already applied in the real world of work at the same time. That's why they call this one the on-the-job training. What they have learned in the classroom, they will directly apply this one in the real world of work. Provides balanced vocational preparation. It's not that just they are only enhanced with their cognitive skills, but they're also enhanced with their technical skills. Designed to prepare students with wide variances in abilities for a broad range of occupational fields. Helps build close community relations. It's because the schools really need the community so that they would have this support from the community of what is needed in the industry. For short, students are going to be ready employees. The school will have good relationship with the training centers and the employer. The employer will have ready available employees. And for the community, they will have individuals who are very helpful in the economy. What are the benefits of cooperative vocational education? Number 1, it provides needed contacts with potential employers. So in this case, the training centers will provide already the needed or the available employers with the different vocations that they have chosen. It's not that the student learners are going to look for the employers that they want to apply to. 2. Assist in exploring the world of work. In the cooperative vocational education, they have these assessments of where would this individual be best fit in. 3. It supplements job experiences with related technical information. 4. Supervise beginning student learners closely. Because there are just trainees, the teacher coordinator has its responsibility of supervising the students if what they are working with are really related to what they have learned in the school. 5. It develops economic competency for self-supporting citizenship. They have this chance of doing budgeting because on-the-job training lets them earn. So by earning, they are able to plan where their money will go to. 6. Apply educational achievements to job labor demands. 7. Utilize business and industry for specialized training. 8. Supply needs of employers for workers. What are the advantages of cooperative technology education for students? It develops and refines occupational competencies. 2. It enables classroom learning experiences to become more relevant. More relevant because they are able to apply immediately what they have learned in the classroom in the real world of work. Number 3, it broadens understanding and appreciation of the world of work. 4, helps assess aptitudes and interests. This will let them assess if what they have chosen are really what they wanted to be in the future. Acquire specialized occupational advantages to the school. Utilization of community resources to expand the curriculum. So they need the community to expand the curriculum because in the community they will know what are the needed trainees or workers in the community. 2, it enriches the curriculum. 3, gives a means of evaluating the efficiency and effectiveness of the vocational curriculum. Increases holding power of the school. And 5, school personnel are constantly informed. 6, acquaints the community with the vocational advantages to the employer. It reduces training costs. It's because they will not send their employees anymore for trainings because the OJTs are already part-time workers. They are students where they will apply what they've learned in the industry. Number 2, provides highly motivated part-time worker. Because these OJTs do want to be employed in the future, that's why they are going to give all their best during their part-time work. 3, enables participation in the occupational programs. 4, attracts better part-time job applicants. 5, establishes a source of trained full-time. What are the advantages to the community? Number 1, displays local employment opportunities to students. 2, provides a means for developing good community-school relations. 3, contributes to economic. That's it. Shukran.